Hello students, welcome to class 6. So students, in our previous lecture, we have discussed immunostimulants, immunosuppressants and therapy for cancer. So students, in our today's lecture, we are going to discuss chemotherapeutic agents used for cancer. So let's get started. Antineoplastic agents or anti-cancer drugs. Drugs, that is chemical compounds, which are used for the treatment of cancer, are known as antineoplastic agents or anti-cancer drugs. They act on cancerous cells either by inhibiting their growth or killing the cancerous cells. At present, no compound is known which will totally cure any form of cancer. However, many compounds are found which are able to produce relief from pain, increase the survival time, prevent the spreading of disease, and in some cases, even bring about temporary disappearance of tumors. Due to heterogeneous nature of tumor cells and the chronic nature of disease, a single drug is less effective, and hence a combination of drugs in therapy is more useful. The chemotherapeutic agents used for the treatment of cancer are as follows. First is nitrosoureas, which includes lomustine. Second is antimetabolites, example 5-fluorouracil. Third is steroid hormones, example is estrogen, prednisolone. Fourth is antibiotics, example is mitomycin C. Fifth is vinca alkaloids. It includes microtubule inhibitors, example is vinblastine and vincristin. And sixth is alkylating agents, cytotoxic agents, nitrogen mustard, example chlorambucil. Now, let us discuss some of the above groups. First is lomustine. It belongs to the class of nitrosourea. There are slightly lipid-soluble antineoplastic compounds. They are nitrosourea derivatives which are alkylating agents. Consider the structure of lomustine. That is 1,2-chloroethyl, 3-cyclohexyl, 1-nitrosourea. It is employed effectively in the treatment of primary and metastatic brain tumors. It is used in treatment of melanoma, lung, colon cancer and also as secondary therapy in Hodgkin's disease. The drug most probably exerts action due to its ability to cross cellular DNA. Thus, the synthesis of both DNA and RNA in the cancer cells is inhibited. Side effects are: the side effects varies from allergic reactions to near fatal conditions. Some of the side effects are vomiting, loss of appetite, temporary alopecia, various allergic reactions, abdominal discomfort, pulmonary fibrosis, difficulty in breathing, chest pain, etc. Second is anastrozole. It belongs to the class of triazoles. Certain types of breast cancer are susceptible to hormonal imbalance in the blood. Such cancer cells have receptor which attaches to estrogen to grow. This type of cancers are called hormone receptor positive. About 66% of breast cancer are hormone receptor positive. Treating these cancers with hormones or hormone analog is called hormone therapy. Hormone therapy in case of breast cancer is to lower estrogen level in blood or stop estrogen from acting on cancer cells. In cases where the tumors are hormone receptor negative, hormone therapy plays no role. As an adjuvant, hormone therapy is used after surgery to reduce the recurrence of growth of tumor. The therapy is also used in metastasis stage. Anastrozole is used for hormone receptor positive breast cancer and also as a prophylactic. It is an aromatase inhibiting drug and work by blocking the creation of estrogen. It is a drug of choice for treatment of postmenopausal women with hormone receptor positive breast cancer. Side effects. Side effects include nausea, insomnia, peripheral edema, pharyngitis, joint pain, increased risk of heart diseases, osteoporosis, etc. Third is cisplatin, which belongs to the class of chloroplatinum. Cisplatin, it is also called cisplatinum or cis-diamine dichloroplatinum. Cisplatin is on the list of essential medicines of WHO. It is a chemotherapy drug. It is used in treatment of various types of cancers like bladder cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, esophageal cancer, head cancer, neck cancer, lung cancer, ovarian cancer, testicular cancer, etc. Cisplatin attaches itself to DNA of growing cells and interferes with its replication, thus killing the cell. Side effects include allergic reactions, vomiting, nausea, electrolytic imbalance, hearing problem, kidney problem, bone marrow suppression, etc. Fourth is Vinca alkaloids, which includes microtubule inhibitors, that is vinblastine, vincristine and vindesin. The Vinca alkaloids are a family of important anti-tumor agents obtained from plants. These compounds were isolated from periwinkle, that is Vinca rosea, and Catharanthus rosea. They have complex structures containing an indole moiety, catharanthine, and indolin containing moiety, that is vindoline. 4 closely related compounds have anti-tumor activity. First is vincristine, second is vinblastine, third is vinrosidine, and fourth is vinneurosin. Next is vincristine. It is effective against acute leukemia in combination with prednisolone. However, in combination with other anti-neoplastic agents, it is used for the treatment of lymphosarcoma, neuroblastoma, and Wilms tumor. Vincristine is less myelosuppressive than vinblastine. Therefore, it is given along with myelotoxic agent. Vincristine has serious neurological toxicity with loss of deep tendon reflexes, pain and muscle weakness. These symptoms can be reversed with decrease in dosage. Vincristine acts rapidly in destroying cancer cells but may result in hyperuricemia, but the complication can be prevented by administering allopurinol. Next is vinblastine. Vinblastine has been used for palliation of a variety of neoplastic diseases. It is one of the most effective single agent against Hodgkin's diseases. It responds alone or in combination to advanced testicular germinal cell tumor. It has beneficial effect in the treatment of lymphocytic lymphoma, histocytic lymphoma, and carcinoma of breast. It gives rise to leukopenia, gastrointestinal, and neurological symptoms which are dose dependent. Next is vindesin. Vindesin is an antimitotic Vinca alkaloid used to treat different types of cancers like leukemia, lymphoma, melanoma, and breast cancer. Now, let us see the synthesis of anastrozole. Well, when 3,5-bis bromomethyl toluene is heated with potassium cyanide in presence of tetra and butyl ammonium bromide in methylene dichloride solvent, the bis-nitrile is methylated and reacted with sodium triazole to obtain anastrozole. So students, in our today's lecture, we have discussed chemotherapeutic agents used for the treatment of cancer. So first was lomustine, which belonged to the class of nitrosourea. Second, anastrozole, which belonged to triazole. Third was cisplatin, which belonged to the class of chloroplatinum. And fourth was vinca alkaloids, that is, which includes microtubule inhibitors, which further included vinblastine, vincristine, and vindycin. And we have also discussed the synthesis of anastrozole.